Today, I'll show you the impact of postponing the due date for import VAT on customs declarations and the benefits importers can receive as a result.
EP Zollspedition is your full-service agency around customs. And now, zoll.tv with Philipp Ritterbusch.
The second Corona Tax Assistance Act made changes to the VAT law that affects the due date of import VAT on import customs declarations for free circulation. The Federal Ministry of Finance announced in October 2020 that the new regulation to postpone the due date of import tax starting from December 1st, 2020 has been implemented. Specifically, this meant that the due date for import VAT of the affected deferral period was uniformly postponed from the 16th of the following month to the 26th of the second month following the import. Thus, holders of an approved deferment of payment for import VAT received and will receive a significant extension of the payment period of up to 12 weeks. The due dates for subsequent deferral periods will be postponed accordingly. Customs duties associated with the customs declaration are not affected by this extension and continue to be due on the 16th of the month following the deferral period. There are different due dates for customs duties and import tax, which are also transmitted differently in the tax assessment. This applies to both individual customs procedures and simplified customs procedures with deferred payment, whereby in the simplified procedure, the due date for import tax is communicated in the assessment for technical reasons. In this context, the logistics industry has pointed out that payment procedures for deferral accounts provided by third parties do not change. Importers who do not yet use this payment benefit, but would like to do so, should apply to the customs authorities for a collateral-free deferral account. The application must be made in writing to the main customs office responsible for your company. There are 7 main customs offices in Germany, and a list of their responsibilities is published on the customs website. With the extension of the deferral period from 6 weeks to 3 months, holders of a secured current payment deferral may need to adjust the security deposit. A security deposit for import VAT is regularly required if the holder of the deferral account is not entitled to deduct VAT itself or is deferring the import tax for persons not entitled to deduct it. Holders of these accounts must themselves monitor that the amount of duty payable, which is secured by a security deposit, does not exceed the reference amount. The reference amount is calculated from the duties for regular imports within the deferral period. Accordingly, it is necessary to check whether the reference amount of the authorization total security as well as the corresponding security deposit should be adjusted. The planned changeover on December 1st, 2020 unfortunately did not work correctly in all cases. For example, a software error on the customs side led to some tax assessments with a payment deadline still indicated as the 16th of the following month. Only a short-term maintenance was able to solve the problem. Although the customs notices that were issued were incorrect with regard to the payment deadline, their content was valid. Contrary to the information in the notice, the Trier Federal Treasury correctly called in the amounts as part of the postponement of the due date to the 26th of the second month. Thus, all holders of a current deferral of payment for import VAT received and continue to receive the full benefits of the extended payment period. In this video, you have learned the payment period for import sales tax has been significantly delayed and is currently up to 12 weeks. Customs duties are exempt from the extended payment period and will continue to be booked on the 16th of the following month. There are 2 due dates separately for customs and import sales tax. The advantage of the extended payment period is best utilized by having a separate deferral account for import VAT.
Zoll.tv. You can find us on YouTube, Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. Contact us by email, Telegram or WhatsApp. All contact information can be found at zoll.tv/contact.